Hi everyone, so you can see here the last week of August that the melons have pretty much taken over the whole garden. I can't even, or it makes it difficult to get in there and walk around. And they're coming up over the fence onto the asphalt here. Some watermelons and green melons and cantaloupe. We've even have gone up on the fence here on the vertical fencing, and they've gotten all the way up into the kiwi. So I noticed over on the fence over there, I got some cantaloupe that I think I need to support. I just cut up an old bed sheet here and tie up a little sling, help support those cantaloupe. So here's a watermelon that definitely is going to need to be supported. And they've even made it all the way over here. The last place that I'm able to step in without landing on any vines. Now I did notice, well, looks like that's an odd looking one. I don't think that's going to make it, but that looks like it's progressing, and I saw what I usually can identify as a cantaloupe right there. Can't even get to it. Looks like it still needs some time. But these are the ones, these are kind of small. I wonder if it's because of the weight on the vine. But they're in the raised beds here. These carrots need to be taken out. I think they're drying out the beds. Got these nice flowers here, which I thought were a weed, and then I realized it's the top of the carrots. So the carrots have gone to seed. Let me go ahead and tie those two up. Alright, so I found a third one that's larger than those other two. I didn't put a sling on it. Looks a little funny, but it provides the support. Oh, it takes the weight off the vine. So this is New England gardening. Melons are progressing. Just needed a little bit of support. Thanks for watching.